Highly blessed everyone, I'm Nicholas Salmon and this is my channel Sunchild. With this channel I'll focus on my passion, things that I full joy doing. Hope I will inspire you to someday do the things that you love to do. See you soon everyone. So I'm doing a little quick project for my garden. Let me show you what I'm doing actually. Let me just put this here. So alright, I don't know if I showed you the video where I planted some peas. Yes, I did. So these are the peas I showed you, and I lost the clip. Yeah, the footage was lost. So you only saw me digging the hole, and probably that was about it. So this, so quick them grow up. Yep, lovely, lovely. So I'm gonna use this as a little trailing screen for the peas. Got the sun hotting, and it just there rain. I had problems, guys. Look. Caterpillars, bugs and all sorts were eating my plants, so I had experimented on some isopropyl alcohol, and boy, things scorched up my things. But I did do it on plants which I know weren't going to, you know, I won't feel away if I lose them, basically, because this is overgrown. I was just growing the leaves for green juice, so that never mattered. But I did spritz it over my plants. And you can see where I spritz, it got like little. But anyways, the bugs were eating it off and the caterpillars. So let me look behind it. See the bugs them there. But I don't know if they're alive. I don't think they're alive, you see. No, they're not alive. They're dead. But may I try to find the caterpillar? I don't know caterpillar now. A slug. See the slime there? Wait till I slug you. But anyways, me doing the trellis today for the peas. Ooh, look at my tomato, girl. And look at the peas in my girl here, so. My cabbage is coming. Everything doing well. It's just the black bugs. So I had to go out and buy an organic spray just to try and get the caterpillars off after the butterflies. See them? Pitch and lay eggs. Sorry about the dogs next door. Right. Well, everything's growing fine. I've been doing a lot of using fish on my tomatoes to see if they'll grow, and they're growing so well. And I haven't used any on this one. See in there? But anyways, we're not going to spend too long showing you what's going on with the garden. Oh Lord, look at my pumpkin. I can't help it. Look at my yumpkin. Oh, I'm so elated. Yep, my color look them grow too. Everybody look good. I like how it's over in a little shady part so then I get too much direct heat. Look at my pumpkin. Also, some strong lion thing, this, you know, some strong food I go cooking at this yard, yeah, trust me. Everything airy. So blessed. Anyways, let's get back to it. So the trees that I'm cut down in the garden, yeah. I had saved some parts of the trees. Like the bird, that one will hold up the bird. And then I've got this one will hold up my solar lights at night time. So at night times those change blue and green and red and whatever. So I use those. Oh, hello Zooks. I didn't see the zucchinis around there. Good job. So I use them for measure over there. So I'm going to use them now to put on this thing. My son's dad, he's a scrap man. So he goes around and collect like wood and pallets and anything to use in the garden, and he brought me these. He got me some over there, so if you see them right over there, so I just use them over here. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some staples, you know, the ones where you can hammer it in. So I'm just gonna use the pliers and fold these in because they're a bit sharp. And then look how perfect this slot in. I use up old pallet, and it's 2.6 in measurement across. So we use that to put on the two, you know, side wood or stick or whatever you want to call it. And then this I got slot right in the middle, and then I either put like this or I can put the net in. But I'm just gonna try it like this and see how it works first, and then afterwards then we can see where I went wrong. So I'm just waiting for my daughter to come back from the shops to use that, but then I'm gonna use the pliers and just bend these back, so just bear with me. Right, so I've got two, so I'm gonna try which one works. Okay, so let's be gone. Alright, so I've done all of them. And on the other side as well. So I'm just going to use the staples. It's like the chicken coop staples. And just staple them on over. And then I'm going to put this in the ground. Alright? And I'll be back. Right, so I'm back. And these are what I'm talking about. The staples. So I'm going to use a few of these. And see if I can get this side to tidy down a bit. This bag is hard to get into. Anyways, let's go. So I'm gonna kind of forward everything so it's faster. Okay, so there are little staples like this, and the two ends looking like a nail head. All right, so I'm just gonna use that. Let's see if it will work, because this is kind of beveled, so we'll see. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. My peas are gonna grow to infinity and beyond. Right, if I don't lick my finger off. So I'm gonna forward this quickly, guys, that you don't get too bored. But it works. So I am going to move forward. Okay, so I'm gonna nail these up, but I'm gonna do it quickly, okay? So I'm gonna just dig 2 holes here that the post can go down. My mistake was I made it too short. I wanted it to be a bit taller, but my daughter said it's okay, so trial and error. Can't get it right all the time. We're good to go, isn't it? We're good to go. Every mistake is a learning curve. Thank you, doggies, for agreeing with me. Okay, here we go. So this is my little, it's not strong, so I'm gonna reinforce it. I'm gonna pin it down to the back of this. But this is my little trellis to make the peas run up. Okay? If you recreate this mess, I'm joking. If you recreate my little makeshift trellis, just let me know, and I will show you the progress of my pizzo and my little gardeno, and I'll see you later on. Bye.
Do you want to know? Mm-hmm. Well, I think I can invite you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby,
because the wood now, you know.
Yeah.
So if you go. No rocky, rocky. No droppy, droppy. See ya.